Hey everybody, guess what I have today? Oh, a little sneak preview here. Yes, I have Star Wars, The Force Unleashed, Limited Run Games, Master Edition. Comes with a neat little card here. And this is an unboxing video. Get this all out of here. Oh boy. Take the plastic off. Close that for now. And oh, look at this. Star Wars The Force Unleashed for the Nintendo Switch. Oh, this is a huge box. Oh, it has everything that the Master Edition comes with. Got this on limitedrungames.com. Paid an exorbitant amount of money for it, but finally got it. Took forever, but it's here. All right, that out of the way, let's just get into it. Oh, Limited Run Games, if you want to send me the next one for free, I won't complain. All right, well, let's just get this out of the way. It's the actual game box itself. Discover the Legend story. They're calling it Legends. That's interesting. Has dual mode, devastating force powers. Oh, they even call it Legends Saga right up there too. No Legends banner though, so. Oh man, it's so cool. It's so shiny. Very cool. You can see me. There you go. And then here we go. Oh, more plastic. Hang on. Yeah. Master Edition Strategy Guide. Just old school. Just an old school strategy guide from back in the day. They used to sell these before the internet. Okay, and it's hardcover, very nice looking, beautiful. All right, but we got other stuff in our box here. Oh, the art card, Star Destroyer, beautiful, beautiful. Is there more than one in here? It might just be one. Oh, yeah, I got a couple. Got Felucia, Kashyyyk. Oh, it even says concept art, Stephen Chang. Okay, so Stephen Chang. Nope, this one was by Amy Beth Christensen. All right. What else is in here? Is this just filler? Okay. Oh. This was loose in the box. Lightsaber. It's got some weight to it. Here's the crystal. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. I have a whole pile of stuff. Set it off to the side here. Okay. So, big box is now empty. Nothing left in here. Okay. And ooh. Yeah, man. Holy cow. Holocron or something? Oh, that's so cool. Very nice, very nice. Alright. Let's open this up. See what it looks like on the inside, huh? Okay. Oops. Gotta be smarter than the box. Okay. Nice presentation. Is there tape holding it in? No? Got my certificate of authenticity so that you know that I paid for it. Number 4,592 of 4,675. Huh. What an honor. So yeah, here's the game itself in all its glory. You can get the pay for the game online. Hey, you know what? Before we even continue, let's just take a look at the game itself. So much plastic all over the place. Star Wars: The Force Unleashed. Here's the game, where the magic happens. Here's something you don't see too much in games these days. An instruction booklet. It's very tiny, very cute. Okay, let's continue. Alright, here's the steel case. It's very nice. Let me just put the game card in there. Very shiny as well. Alright. Darth Phobos, more art cards. Ramgoda. Phobos, very nice. Oh. There's a crazy looking Rhodian. Mandalorian. Okay. The commemorative Force Unleashed coin. Alright. The proxy enamel pen. nice. Here, let's just take a look at that coin one more time. There you go. Up close. Look at it there. And whoa. Big poster. One side. Darth Vader taking on some Wookiees. Very nice. All right. So you have the poster, proxy enamel pen, the coin, steelbook case, the game itself, various art cards, certificate of authenticity, more concept art, sketches, this thing, the hardcover strategy guide, lightsaber, a little paperweight, and oh my goodness. Maybe we'll conclude it on the game itself. Well, thank you, Limited Run. Thank you, Aspire. And Lucasfilm, Disney, whoever. There it is. Okay. I look forward to playing this. Thank you.